what's up guys? As this is my first airsoft video, don't mind sending me feedback down in the comments below so I can improve on my editing skills. Enjoy! Since we got pushed back pretty hard at the beginning, I tried to link up with my teammates, but they thought I was an enemy, so I got team killed.
Yo! Kom hier, kom hier, kom hier. Oké, links, 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 links. Voor ons, voor ons, voor ons. Laag op de grond. Ja.
Back at the spawn, we noticed there was a gap in their defense, and so we decided to use that gap to cross a bridge. But once we were at the bridge, we heard gunshots, so we decided to take cover and wait the enemy out. When the shooting stopped, we decided to cross the bridge and attack the building where we had last had contact with the enemy. Because I was a little bit too fast clearing the building, my teammates couldn't catch up and I got team killed. Once I caught up with my teammate again, we immediately headed over towards the enemy flanks. They were not expecting us to come from behind.
Zie je die opening?
When we approached our objective, we heard many players scream that they were hit.
Vent liefst voor links. Die kant.
From the start, the place looked abandoned, so we tried to move on, but then a teammate got killed.
Fine.
After we cleared the town, we moved up and schemed a plan, but we never got time to actually execute it.
Helemaal kut.
At the end of the day, we got stuck on the far right side of the field, and due to the immense heat, many players have already left. We made one last effort to clear out the enemies of the forest before we called it a day. But unfortunately, they saw us first.
Hit!
Well, this marks the end of my first airsoft video. I hope that you've enjoyed, and thanks for watching. See you next time. And even I team killed someone today, and I immediately got payback afterwards.
Oh, verdomme. Hey.
Hey, back in the bitch!